At 11 o'clock, we continue our coverage of the coronavirus outbreak. The number of positive cases continues to go up here in our state.
In fact, since yesterday, an additional 63 people tested positive. Right now, we want to take a look at our map, and you can see right here there are 159 cases of coronavirus in Connecticut. Most are in Fairfield County, with New London County not having any as of right now, at least any reported. We just finished our 3-hour coronavirus special, and several key developments were broken on air right here. And many of us, of course, are cooped up at home, wanting to know exactly when this new normal, and hopefully it won't go too much longer, but we all want to know when it could end.
Yeah, that's a big question. Channel 3's Matthew Campbell is in the newsroom now with some of those answers. Matthew.
Well, Mark and Aaron, this is not going to end anytime soon, unfortunately. Tonight we learned school is not expected to return in the next 2 weeks. The worst is yet to come, and the call for nurses is getting louder.
Governor Lamont didn't have a public news conference today, but at 8 o'clock he joined us live in studio to give us the latest on the coronavirus, announcing one of the state's 3 deaths was someone his family knew.
Old guy was a great friend of my dad's, so it really comes home.
We've known for a while now that the fight is just beginning, but the governor put it into perspective. We're woefully low on medical supplies, and the virus hasn't even peaked.
Nobody's ready for ventilators or swabs or PPE, the protective equipment you need.
We're not prepared.
I don't know what happened. We should have been on this 4 or 6 months ago.
The masks, gowns, gloves, face shields are all needed, but we are learning plans are being made to get them here.
The president, a little slow off the draw on this today. He was on the conference call with all the governors. He is all in. They are putting in place orders to those that manufacture, say, the ventilators.
In the coming weeks, nurses will be critical, so the state is going to nursing schools, seeking apprentice nurses and relaxing certifications so other nurses can come to Connecticut.
We've had over 500 retired nurses. We've reached out and they've said, what can I do to help?
The crisis has taken a toll on thousands of workers and businesses. With more than 20,000 filing for unemployment benefits this week, the governor says you need money in your pockets.
I come out of small business. I know what those fixed costs are. I know what it is to pay rent. I know what it is to pay salaries. I know what those utility bills are. We're doing something, I think, pretty clever. Keep that person on board. We're going to help complement or supplement their salary for the near term.
All night we've been pushing you to vote on the state's response to the coronavirus. You gave it a 7 out of 10. Dennis asked Governor Lamont where we fell short. This is what he said.
I would have pushed the hospitals earlier and harder. I think maybe I relied a little bit too much on what the federal government was thinking about.
Now, another big question we got was about waiving mortgages. In New York, they have been waived for 90 days. Governor Lamont says he did ask the banks to waive them, so we're going to need to wait and see. Live in the newsroom, Matthew Campbell, Channel 13 News.